Look at that. Butter braided lines in this meter. Let these loose. There's the bracket. Bolts. Get this out of here. Okay, I'm gonna remove the brakes here because there's a brake cable here. These are the emergency brakes. They're shoes. I first pop the spring out down here with pliers. Just pull it off the hook, and then these come out with an Allen key. You push it and turn it about a quarter of a turn, and they'll pop out. You can do it now here. Boom. Real easy. Boom. Up here. And boom. Okay. I have loosened all the bolts. This one's for the shock bottom. Or the strut bottom. This one's here. This one here is a bolt, long bolt that goes all the way through over to this side. This is loose. This is loose. These, let me get some light in here. I don't think I can. There's two bolts here. And you have to hold back with them to loosen them up because they're ball joints and they spin. I'll unscrew this one for the strut. Fine threads, long ass bolt. There's that one. Oh shit, ow, that hurt. Okay. Now let's loosen these. Take these out. I might have to put a spreader on here, pound a spreader in there. This is broke anyway, so I'm going to replace it. This one is 2, I believe. So I might have to hit it with a hammer to pop those out. And this one. So, look at that. Just look at it. Okay. There's a little hair. All I have left are these two ball joint type things. That's the only line going to it. So, all right, I got a package today. Here's my axles. Met a guy online who ordered out an M6. I got the rear diff. Put the rear diff on. I found out the axles were bigger, so I had him send me the axles. Axles and the hubs. It's a whole knuckle assembly. Okay, so I'm going to point out some of the differences that I can see from the standard 650i axle assembly and the M6. First of all, I have my handy dandy cheap ass caliper here. I got it zeroed out. Let's see what this is here. It's about 31.34 millimeters. The M6 that. 64.66 millimeters. Okay, let's take this where it meets the rear differential. It's a little bit thicker here. Let's measure that out. The standard 650i is 74.86 millimeters thick in this area. The M6 one is about 70.71 millimeters. Clean those suckers up with some brake cleaner. And I'm going to apply some blue Loctite to them before I thread them in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put some blue Loctite on the screws and mount these up. Got this side on, torque down. Time to hit the other side. Okay. Yeah. Kind of tight space down here. There we go. Oh yeah. Here's the other side torqued down. Look at my view. My beautiful view.